everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to share about a tasty chicken recipe. For this we have to marinate chicken at least 15 to 30 minutes. For marination I am adding 1 spoon of salt in it, half spoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half spoon of jeera powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, and now here I am adding 4 spoons of curd, after adding curd in this I am going to add ginger garlic paste. Here I am adding 1/2 spoon of ginger garlic paste. We have to mix all together like this. Here we have to add chili powder. You can see here. Now I am adding approximately 2 spoons of chili powder in it, and now you have to mix it properly. Coat the chicken pieces with masala. Coat well. After that we have to rest it at least 15 to 30 minutes. You kept aside. Now I am taking dry coconut, put into the mixer jar, and 1 medium sized onion. This also put into mixer jar. Now here I am adding green chilies. Here I am taking 4 green chilies. If you want more spiciness you can add 1 or 2 extra green chilies, no problem. After that you have to paste it like this, not smoothly, just coarsely. After I am pouring oil, approximately 2 tablespoons of oil I am pouring into the pan. After here I am adding 1 spoon of ghee in it for better taste. Now here I am adding cinnamon stick, cloves and star anise, jeera, ilachi and 2 black pepper. Here I am adding whole garam masala like this. Put into low flame and you have to fry it well. After we have to add our onion paste into the pan. You have to fry onion paste on low flame till oil separates from the masala. You have to mix it well. Like this you have to fry onion paste. At this stage we have to add our marinated chicken into the pan. After adding whole chicken we have to mix all the chicken and onion paste together properly like this. You have to mix thoroughly. After you have to close the lid. Cook for 5 minutes. After you have to mix the chicken once again like this. Now you have to add 2 2 medium sized sliced tomato pieces in it as shown in the video. After, you have to mix all the chicken and tomatoes together like this and close and pour some water, little water in it. After, mix all the things together as shown in the video. After, you have to close the lid and turn it to medium flame. After 10 minutes, you have to mix all the things together like this. Now here you have to check salt and spiciness and mix together. Now you have to close the lid and cook for another 10 minutes. At this stage, I am adding coriander leaves and mint leaves. After adding coriander leaves and mint leaves, you have to put your flame on low flame and close the lid and cook for 5 minutes like this. After 5 minutes, you have to mix all the chicken as shown in the video. After, you turn off your flame. That's it. Our curry is ready. A very tasty and easy chicken curry. You can eat with chicken with rice or chapatis or rotis, pulkas, anything you want. This is very so tasty and easy process. If you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.